Here's another elevator here. And look at this interesting call station. California Code Comply. Wait, no, that's EPCO. That is a custom EPCO fixture. Nice. Looks like it's not leveled properly. Oh, this is the service elevator.
It is.
It doesn't look like... People may think this is like an extra auxiliary elevator if they're mistaken.
Look at the ceiling.
Oh, I just hit 8 by accident. These buttons are... couldn't even tell which one the buttons are laid out to.
I see. We're stopping now.
Are you coming up?
Yeah. Y'all going up?
Yes, we are. What floor would you like, sir?
Nah.
I hit 8 by accident. I'm sorry.
No, don't worry about it.
Yeah. Gosh, it's hot in here, Hanny.
I know.
Hey, how you going?
You doing okay too?
Huh?
You're doing okay too?
Yeah. Thanks for asking.
You're welcome. Well, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and stay dry. Oh, this is the 8th floor.
Yeah.
I was like,
one more.
what am I? I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm sorry, sir.
No, you okay, man? It's okay.
It's hot. I'm just getting hot here. I want to get off this thing.
Thank you guys.
You too. Thanks. All right, let's get off at 1. Let's get off at 1, Hanny.
Today is just a humid day here in DFW.
Yeah. This is your basic cab right here. This is what the basic elevator cab looks like. These are your fixtures. The custom EPCO fixture is something I've never seen before.
Really?
Yeah, I've never seen a customized EPCO fixture like that before.
That's awesome.
Okay, let's get off here. It's getting stuffy in here. I want to get off this thing.
We're gonna get off.
I'm sorry for the reaction, guys, but I just want to leave. Look at this button right here. I never seen this button before. This is an interesting call station right there. All right, anyways, there it goes, and that's it.